Well, hello and welcome to another episode on our Barney Family YouTube on Facebook. And again, I'm hitting this video with my feet running at the minute because I've got to get back to the house. But I've just spent the day doing the last bits and pieces we need for the annual inspection for her to pass. So as you'll see, we've done quite a lot of rubbing down. This is coming off at some point anyway, but it was still worth doing anyway, just to make it look a bit nicer. Yeah, hopefully by the end of this video, we will have had her out for a good run and through her MOT, and hopefully that'll be it. So for those of you watching for the first time, this is our horse-stroke wild camping lorry project that we're doing, and it's going to rule it up and make it look amazing. But obviously it's part of Emily's horse field here and Emily's horse stable, so very big project, but we're getting there. And this is the one we really need to get done, because if we get Emily horses anytime soon, we're going to need this thing. So guys, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit notifications if you like our videos. That would just be awesome, giving us that support. Yeah, so I mean, great, you know, and I was working off this little list that I was given by the pre-MOT inspectors for all the sort of bits I needed to do, and thankfully there was no major welding really needing done. But I've had to do a couple of bits. I've got to do that, but again, it looks terrible. Anyway. Just getting all the bits and pieces done for the annual inspection, and at the same time, obviously, you know, David and Emily getting to have a wee go at a few different things. You'll see the new exhaust tailpipe on there. That was David. Nice. No, she's good. It's Jessica, and she's got under 100,000 miles on the clock. Really drives very well. Went through that PMOT inspection very well too, but it's just the usual, guys. You know, just time, energy, and money. That's all it ever is. You know, just trying to get through all these different jobs that we've got. But yeah, she's not very pretty looking. But once she's got big bull bars on there and lights up and all sorts of stuff. Carb's going to go red, wheels silver. We'll get rid of these underruns at some stage and put on aluminium ones. Oh, there's the wind. We'll put on aluminium ones, as well as an aluminium ladder. And that's going to save a heck of a lot of weight. But basically we'll have the Ace lorry, sleeping area just in there with two big double beds, and a horsey area at the back, which also doubles up as a place where I can take the motorbikes for motorbike vlogging, the quad bikes and the dirt bikes and stuff like that as well. So really just a multi-purpose vehicle for our YouTube. Yeah, right, better get going, guys, and we'll get back to the house, and hopefully we'll get to come back up to it. But I've got a little bit to weld down in there. I've got a nut to put on one of the brake cylinders. Everything just needs a really good power wash underneath and sorted out, and that'll be her ready. Right, so we've got her going, you guys. Now, as always, I'm just waiting for these air pressures to come right up into the green before we can actually move, which is great. She just started up first click, up was aces. Superb. So at the time of filming this, the MOT, I've got to drop it off for its at 5 o'clock, and it's going to be getting done on Tuesday morning at 8 AM. So got to get her looking really good. Yeah, and I've just been under there for two and a half hours power washing. I'll show you in a little while. Yeah, I'll show you. It just takes a little while. That's fine. That's great. We'll just get her up and over here. There we go. Almost there. So yeah, I've been under the whole thing, big style. Pretty much power washed every single square inch, I think, underneath there. But as you can see, she's starting to look good underneath, which is the main thing. And guys, we'll do it bit by bit. You know, like for example, maybe one afternoon I'll take that wheels off, get it all done, back on again, you know, and put in the toolbox, and just stages and stages at a time. That's all it is. So there we go. That's that bit starting to go on now. Look, just start to tack it on there and tack it on there. The welder's just overheated a little bit, but that's fine. Let's come back to do it tomorrow. So hopefully, guys, we can just get that little bit done there, welded up and round, get it all cleaned up, painted red. And we've got a little end cap to make on there, and that should be us. And the boy has arrived, haven't you, sonny boy?
Yeah.
He's just busy, just while I'm finishing these last little bits, he's just occupying himself. So that's that bit welded on now, guys. I mean, we are going to be replacing him, so I'm not going to muck about with it too much. We'll just get it all done and ready. It's the end cap on there, to paint this little bit here, and obviously paint them as well. We're okay. Yeah, so and as you'll see, I've just made a really good start on the red oxide paint, you know. And like I said earlier, I think we're probably going to drop that out, clean it up, paint, put it back in, same again, and we'll just do it bit by bit, eh, sonny boy? We'll just do bit by bit. Oh, so it's hot, but it is also raining as well.
Yeah.
And today's the day we're just going to get Jessica ready to take her down for her annual inspection, or drop her off, I should say. So me and Dav just got a couple of wee jobs to do, and we'll take her across and drop her off. Eh? So we'll have a little run on Jessica in this video, that'll be good. There's our David just getting the gate, here he goes, look at him. Newly scalped for the haircut, look. Through here, we'll dump off Frank. We'll wait for David. We'll dump off Frank and jump into Jessica, that's the thing, eh? And yes, we name all of our vehicles, guys, every one of them, even the caravans and the trailers. But hold on, that rain is really coming down now. Poor lad, he just got soaked. Never mind. We'll just wait just 5 minutes, just to see if this rain will come off, eh? Yeah, so me and David were checking this thing over yesterday, and we're looking okay. I'm sure we're okay. Yeah, so me and David picked up a fiberglassing kit, and this is for the caravan. And goodness me, I've been needing to do this for, what, 6 months, son? Probably more.
The last time we went on holiday in the caravan.
Yeah.
I think.
It was Allapool we damaged, wasn't it? You look back, guys, Allapool is where we damaged the caravan. That's all. Oh, and you get a wee brush and paste and hardener and everything. Yeah, so fiberglass to fix the front of the caravan. That'll be another job. Right, so that's us moving, people. That's us moving. No, that's us. We're done.
What they should invent?
What's that?
You should invent window wipers for your side window and the mirrors.
It'd be handy, wouldn't it? Right, so we'll leave Frank up here, and we'll get this thing down to the MOT station. Are you going for the padlock this time? Yeah, a little bit scared of her getting stuck in the field. That's why we park her where we park her at the moment, until we can get some BF Goodridges on her or something. Because the road tyres just do not cope. They just absolutely don't cope at all. Here's the trucker coming, people. Okay. Right, let's go. We better just wait for this dude, I think, eh? Oh, it's good to be back. It is good to be back. Yeah, definitely good to be back. Yeah, so we're up high, aren't we, son, now? Up above. Doing our thing. I think what we'll do is, we don't want to go through the town, do we, just now? Is we'll circle around this way. This way is a bit better for us. Just to save the traffic. We'll just spin around. And a wee reverse, my boy. Yeah, it's a funny little junction, this bit here. Oh, now somebody's doing their trailer test, look. Or trailer lessons, I should say. That's one of our mates that owns that. Kevin. Let's go trucking! Yeah, so we'll just put her down. We've done all the bits we're called to do, and hopefully she'll go through okay. Yeah, so me and David are planning to go to the Isle of Man TT next year, as in driving all the way down with Jessica, aren't we? And then taking the ferry. It'll be about 6 or 7 hours to Morecambe in North England, and then the ferry across the Isle of Man. So that's going to be the end of May next year. And we'll go away, son. Try and catch a few of the races. Try and get there on a day that it's got like all the different types. So you got a day with the sidecars and the lightweights and all sorts of stuff, and that would be just awesome. And of course we can just come up whatever we want, really. Yeah, so we'll try Jessica on a right long distance job. Maybe me and David do one before then, like a test, go down to Glasgow or Edinburgh or something. Drive down to Edinburgh for a steak meal and then drive back up again. I always promise David a steak. I don't really eat steak much, do we, really?
I had it once. And,
I've never tried lobster.
I really want to try it.
Right, so we'll just get up here and get turned, eh, sonny boy? Now that, you usually get this thing turned up here in one go, but I think that dude's vehicle's right there, is it? Should manage to. Should manage. Ah, he's just putting his dogs back in his car, it's fine. And of course, that's the school on holiday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, she does go all the way around here. Got to remember that. Yeah, so all the way down to Isle of Man TT in this next year, guys. All being well.
We can do a gaming video.
Yeah.
Possibly.
David's got this idea of having a PlayStation here in the car, so they won't get bored. So it'll take about 6 or 7 hours.
Yeah.
If we aim for having Jessica sort of done by then, if we can. I don't like making firm goals like that, but you know, if we can, that'd be great.
Well, we do have one here.
Yeah. And then we'll go to Isle of Man TT. Yeah, so we'll get this thing dumped off at the MOT station. And hope for the best. I mean, I've done everything we've been asked to do, so I can't see why. Yeah, so we've got across the top of town, usually less traffic. Takes a wee bit longer, but at least we'll avoid the traffic. Alright. She'll take a bit of getting used to. So we had her for a little while on the roads before her MOT ran out, didn't we, son? Got some lorry vlogs done, and I've really got used to her then. Oh. So not usually people allow lorries through. Maybe they have horses and they're being nice, that's it. Yes, across the top of town is a lot quieter. There we go, a lot quieter. Yeah, one of the good things about this lorry is, though, guys, is that she is very simple. So that's good for me because I'm not a professional mechanic. But I can get by with a lot of the simpler stuff. So that really helps, doesn't it, sonny boy? Yeah, we definitely avoided all the traffic, but it will get busy now because this is kind of the main route through town. Yeah, we're straight across. Oh, it's straight across, of course, here, isn't it? Yeah, just with the lorries, everything takes a little bit longer. You can't zip in and out of traffic and stuff here. You've just kind of got to go with it, haven't you, son? There it is, the Reynolds Truck Selden Truck and Van. Yeah, this bit down here is a little awkward. Maybe we should have went in the other way, but I'm sure we'll be okay. Just take our time, because this is a junction as well here. The road markings are kind of gone. So where do the guys want it? I wonder if they want it round the back or just round the side. I imagine just round this way. And right up to our favourite McDonald's, eh, sonny boy? Right, so I've never been here before, so I don't know where you park up your vehicles. We'll just have to find a spot, eh? Oh, a weigh station, you got diesel station as well. Let's see, no parking, obviously. We'll have to be careful where we park. I can see a good spot for us. Northeast fallen stock. What's that supposed to mean? But see the top of that man there though, son, look. See those lights up top and that little cover that they've got? No, that's what we need. What other lorries have we got here? Sky Parcel Express Limited. There's an army vehicle over there. Oh, up to see the army vehicle. I think we just pop her in here, it'll be fine, son. It just seems to be. And there's the MOT testing lane over there, look. For MOT vehicle and report to main intersection. There we go. Park it nice for the guys. There we go.
Now we need to go tell them that we're here.
Yeah, so that's it all parked up now, guys. Ready to go. I'm loving this place. But this is what we spotted just as we came along. Look. Oh, that is wicked. So they must do some of the army stuff then, eh, son? Maybe they're MOTs, I'd say. Someday, son. That's a wee while away, that one, I think.
To add that to the airsoft vehicle.
Airsoft vehicle collection. Look at that. That is wicked. 8. Yeah. She's just a monster. Look at this. Unless it's an ex-army vehicle that someone's got. We've seen them before. But that was the one we were looking at before, wasn't it, son?
Yeah.
But way too much pennies for us just now.
Eventually.
Eventually.
I'll be